This crash involved a police or official vehicle, making the situation even more serious. Even emergency or public service vehicles can become part of a dangerous road incident. The dashcam captured a head-on collision or a vehicle drifting into the wrong lane. When cars meet directly like this, the impact can be extremely serious. This social media clip appears to show a traffic accident, though the full situation should be checked carefully. Even short clips can reveal important road safety lessons.
Is recorded, my friend. So, what we're gonna, and they will deal with it.
The camera captured a crash that caused a vehicle to lose control or roll over. Rollover accidents are especially dangerous because they can happen suddenly after impact. This video records a real traffic crash on the road. A normal drive can turn into a dangerous scene in just one bad moment. This video shows a real traffic collision on the road. The crash happens quickly and proves why drivers must always watch their surroundings. This real traffic accident was caught on camera with a clear impact. The crash happened fast, proving that road danger can appear without much warning. This video captures a real traffic accident on the road. It shows how quickly a small mistake can turn into a major problem.
Maintaining a safe distance here. Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I was just wasted driving down the highway and I had to get sideswiped almost. That's why I was there. And then I'm guessing. I've already called it in. They're on their way.
This video captures a real traffic crash on the road. What starts as a normal driving moment quickly turns into a dangerous accident, reminding us how fast things can change in traffic. The camera recorded a T-bone crash at an intersection or crossing point. A dashcam captured the moment a vehicle was rear-ended while driving or waiting in traffic. Rear-end crashes often happen when drivers follow too closely or fail to react in time. The camera recorded another T-bone style collision at an intersection. These crashes usually happen when one vehicle crosses into another vehicle's path at the wrong moment. Another rear-end collision was recorded on dashcam while the vehicle was driving or waiting. One delayed reaction from the driver behind can cause a sudden impact. A vehicle ran a red light and caused a crash at the intersection. Ignoring traffic signals is one of the fastest ways to create a serious accident. Another vehicle ran a red light and caused an intersection crash. This is exactly why every driver must slow down and respect traffic lights. A dashcam recorded a rear-end crash while the vehicle was in traffic or stopped ahead. These accidents often happen because someone was distracted or following too closely. This social media clip appears to show a road accident, though the full details need closer checking. Short clips like this can still teach strong safety lessons. Another social media source appears to show a traffic crash. Even without every detail, the footage reminds us that dangerous moments can happen without warning.
Holy shit!
This social media video appears to show a traffic accident, but the exact sequence should be checked manually. Road footage like this often shows how quickly mistakes happen. This footage shows another real road collision. The crash is a reminder that even familiar roads can become risky when drivers lose focus. The camera recorded an accident involving a motorcycle or bicycle in traffic. Riders have less protection than car drivers, so every close call can be serious. A dashcam captured a head-on collision or a vehicle crossing into the wrong lane. These moments are some of the most frightening situations a driver can face. This dashcam captured the moment a vehicle lost control and rolled over after a collision or a wrong maneuver. Once the car started flipping, the driver had almost no control left. At this intersection, a T-bone crash happened when one vehicle was hit directly on the side. Side impact collisions like this are dangerous because they happen fast and leave very little reaction. The dashcam recorded another vehicle losing control before rolling over on the road. A small mistake in speed, steering, or braking can quickly turn into a serious crash. This vehicle suddenly lost stability and flipped after a crash or driving error. The footage shows how quickly momentum can take over once control is gone. A dashcam captured a car losing control and rolling after an impact. Moments like this prove why safe speed, distance, and full attention matter on every road. This video shows a vehicle spinning sideways or leaving the road before or after impact. When a car starts sliding like this, even an experienced driver may struggle to recover. The footage captures a real road crash with a clear collision. It is the kind of moment that shows why every driver should stay alert, even when the road looks normal. At this intersection, a vehicle was struck directly on the side in a T-bone collision. These crashes are especially serious because the side of
Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Why the fuck are you looking at your phone, officer?
I got a text from a fucking another officer.
You motherfucker.
The video shows a car losing control, spinning across the road, or leaving the lane after a collision. Once the vehicle starts sliding, the situation becomes extremely dangerous. A large truck or semi-truck was involved in this traffic accident. The force of the collision shows why drivers must give heavy vehicles more space and respect.
You're fat? Huh? You're fat? Nah.
The footage shows another real traffic collision on the road. Every clip like this carries the same lesson. Stay focused. Keep distance. This real accident was recorded clearly, showing the moment vehicles collided. Dashcam footage like this can help explain what happened and why. A clear traffic collision was caught on camera, showing how quickly a small mistake can become a serious crash. Road safety starts with awareness.
The fuck? Fuck, dude.
This footage records a real road accident with visible impact. It reminds us that drivers must always scan ahead, slow down when Another real traffic crash was captured on camera, with the impact clearly visible. These moments are shocking, but they also teach important driving lessons. As the video continues, the pattern becomes very clear. Most road disasters do not begin with a huge mistake. They usually begin with a small decision that looks harmless in the moment. A driver speeds up instead of slowing down. Someone changes lanes without checking the blind spot. Another driver follows too closely because they think traffic will keep moving. Then, in just 1 or 2 seconds, everything changes. In this next situation, the dashcam shows how dangerous impatience can be. The driver tries to move through traffic quickly, but the road does not give them enough space. When traffic flow changes suddenly, speed becomes the enemy. The faster a vehicle is moving, the less time the driver has to understand what is happening, and the less time other people have to avoid the danger. This is why aggressive driving is so risky. It does not matter if the driver thinks they are skilled. On a public road, every movement affects other cars, trucks, motorcycles, cyclists, and pedestrians nearby. One sudden lane change can force another driver to brake. One hard brake can cause a rear-end collision. One careless turn can put a motorcycle rider directly in the impact zone. In many of these clips, the crash could have been avoided if the driver had simply waited a few more seconds. That is one of the biggest lessons from dashcam footage. Patience is not just polite, it is a safety tool. At intersections, the danger becomes even more serious. A driver may have a green light, but that does not mean every other vehicle will stop. Some drivers run red lights, some are distracted, and some try to turn across traffic without judging distance correctly. This is why it is always smart to scan both sides before entering an intersection, even when you have the right of way. Being legally right does not protect you from the force of a collision. In a T-bone crash, the side of a vehicle takes the impact, and passengers have much less protection than in a front or rear collision. That is why red light runners are so dangerous. They do not just put themselves at risk, they put every driver crossing the intersection at risk. The same danger appears when drivers turn left from the wrong lane, rush through yellow lights, or try to squeeze through a gap that is already closing. A road is not a place to gamble. If the timing looks uncertain, the safest choice is to wait. Another common moment in these videos is the rear-end crash. These collisions often happen because one driver is following too closely or not paying attention. In normal traffic, cars can stop suddenly for many reasons. A pedestrian may step out. A car ahead may brake for debris. Traffic may slow because of a crash further down the road. If the driver behind has not left enough distance, there may be no way to stop in time. This is especially dangerous on highways, where speeds are higher and reaction time is shorter. Many people believe they can react instantly, but in reality, the brain needs time to recognize danger. The foot needs time to reach the brake, and the vehicle still needs distance to slow down. That is why safe following distance matters so much. Space gives you time, and time gives you options. Without space, even a good driver may not be able to avoid a crash. Around large trucks, this becomes even more important. Trucks are heavier, longer, and harder to stop than normal cars. They also have large blind spots on both sides, directly behind them and close to the front. When a small car cuts in front of a truck and brakes, the truck driver may not be able to avoid impact. In some clips, drivers treat trucks like ordinary cars, but that is a serious mistake. Heavy vehicles need more room to turn, more room to stop, and more time to respond. A truck carrying cargo can also become dangerous if the load is not secured properly. A loose cover, a tire, a pipe, or any object falling from a vehicle can become a high-speed hazard. When debris flies across a highway, drivers may swerve suddenly, and that can create a second crash even worse than the first. This is why vehicle maintenance and cargo checks are part of road safety. It is not only about how a person drives, but also about whether the vehicle is safe to be on the road. Motorcycles and bicycles bring another level of risk. They are smaller, harder to see, and far more exposed during impact. A driver turning across traffic may not notice a motorcycle until it is too late. A car door opening at the wrong moment can knock a rider down. A sudden lane change can force a rider into a dangerous position with almost no protection. For drivers, the rule should be simple. Look twice, especially before turning or changing lanes. For riders, the safest mindset is to assume that other drivers may not see you. Staying visible, avoiding blind spots, and reducing speed near intersections can make a major difference. In several close call moments, a motorcycle rider survives not because the situation was safe, but because one person reacted fast enough to avoid the worst outcome. That is not something anyone should rely on. Luck is not a safety plan. Parking lots can also be more dangerous than they appear. Because speeds are lower, many drivers relax too much. But parking lots are full of pedestrians, reversing cars, children, shopping carts, blind corners, and drivers looking for spaces instead of watching the road. A car speeding through a parking lot has very little time to stop if someone steps out from between vehicles. That is why slow speed and full attention are important, even in places that seem harmless. Some of the most shocking clips happen when someone drives carelessly in a place where people feel safe. Near schools, crosswalks, bus stops, and parking areas, the driver must expect the unexpected. Children can move suddenly. Pedestrians may be hidden behind parked cars. A stopped bus may mean someone is about to cross. A few seconds of caution can prevent a lifetime of regret. Weather and road conditions also play a major role in many accidents. Rain, fogs, snow, ice, or even loose gravel can change how a vehicle behaves. A turn that feels normal on a dry road can become dangerous when the surface is slippery. Braking distance increases, steering becomes less stable, and visibility can drop quickly. In bad weather, the speed limit is not always the safe speed. Drivers need to adjust to the actual condition of the road. This means slowing down, increasing following distance, avoiding sudden steering, and using lights properly. Many crashes happen because drivers continue as if the conditions are normal.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Look where you're going!
You're in the middle of the road!
No, it's a U-turn!
And wait!
Hit my truck again! And
Dumb fucking dumbass, dude! What here, bitch? I got this shit, dude!
Camera! Take your camera! You hit my fucking truck!
Because you
can't watch where you're going!
I'm going straight!
And I was making a U-turn!